So this home is located on our 4th floor breezeway. It's a corner unit here. We'll be taking a look at the 2-bedroom apartment. It is a 2-bed, 2-bath plus den, approximately 1234 square feet. And before we get to the main features, I wanted to address the storage closet right on entry here. Great coat closet for when you have guests over. Thanks for storing other non-essential items out of the way of the home. First bathroom is just to the right on entry here. It's a nice, spacious, elongated floor plan. Cool tone cabinets that are featured in all of our apartment homes. And the shower tub combination makes for a great guest bath. And just straight across the hall on exit here is going to be the laundry and storage closets leading into the first master bedroom with den. We've got a brand new laundry unit in here. Stacked washer dryer. There's also storage shelves to the left of it and an additional closet with storage to the right. This is a great spacious home. And we've got our first den entry here with a nice window leading out to street level. This apartment's got a great corner view of the Portland City area leading into downtown. And then the master bedroom, which also features the master bathroom. Very spacious bedroom here. And then as you can see, we've got a nice long, deep walk-in closet. Goes quite a ways here. And then the master bath, which also again has the tub and shower combination. It's about as big as the other one. Same cool tone cabinetry. And again with the nice deep under sink cabinet storage. And the multiple storage drawers. Plus that hallway laundry closet really helps add extra storage space for towels, laundry, even office supplies for your den here. And then on exit of the den, we'll be coming into the kitchen area, but first we're going to make a pit stop at the 2nd bedroom, located at the front of the home. This has nice big windows for great natural light. Also a very spacious floor plan area. What's different about this one is it's got the large walk-in closet. So again, this home has a lot of storage to feature. We love any opportunity to add a nice big walk-in closet for our residents. And then we'll take a look at the view out here. What I love about this layout is it's pretty much unobstructed by the hotel across the street. So we've got a nice open view of all the cityscape here. Just down the way is the convention center. If you keep going down the street there, a couple blocks, you'll hit some great coffee shops, eateries. This is just really the hub of Portland life right now. All right, let's take a look in the kitchen. My favorite room in the home, by far. Upon first notice, you'll see we have great shiny stainless steel appliances, full-size fridge and freezers. And then just to the right behind me here, we've got a nice little coffee or bar nook. Lots of storage is going to be featured in this style home here. Let's take a look at this beautiful open kitchen. So we do have featured dishwashers in all of our apartment homes, as well as full-size oven and ceramic cooktop, overhead microwave. Ovens are nice and spacious here. Plus you've got that under drawer. Also love the open shelving. And we've got white cabinet accents on the top because we think it really helps pull in a lot of the natural light, keep the home bright and happy. And then we've got this entertainment wall here, great for a TV entertainment center. And during the day, it doesn't create too much glare on screens, which is wonderful. And again, we have a more extended view of the Portland city line. And the other thing I love about this home is the 90 degrees of windows in the living room area. It really helps make this already incredibly large floor plan feel that much bigger. So because of the layout of this particular room, you've got a lot of options for furniture. It's a great space for entertaining. It's a great space for just getting together around the kitchen table and having a good time. So again, this is our 4th floor corner unit, 2-bed, 2-bath, plus den. You can find all the details on our website. All of that is linked below. We hope you decide to come and join the union. We look forward to making this your new home very soon.